Thank you for selecting Sanchez Garrison and Associates to handle your bankruptcy filing. Our entire law firm is already working to bring your matter to a successful conclusion, and we'll need your help to give us the best chance to make this happen. To answer some common questions and explain your role in moving your case along, we have prepared this welcome video. While not intended to replace the contract for legal services that we both have signed, hopefully the information in this video will be helpful. Please grab a pen and paper and set aside the next few minutes to watch this video, as we promise you that it will answer many of your questions, help to keep you informed of the important steps in your case, and just help to be sure that your case moves forward as smoothly and quickly as possible.
As was discussed during your initial consultation, our firm begins work immediately, but we cannot file your case until we have received all of the documents requested by your attorney and all legal fees and required filing fees. Please refer to your contract for legal services for the complete list of attorney fees and the filing fees, all of which must be paid in full before your case can be filed. Once we have received everything required to complete the preparation of your bankruptcy petition, an attorney will contact you to schedule a time to go over your petition with you, to answer any questions that you may have, and have you sign the documents prior to filing them with the court.
It really is that simple. Provide the necessary documents, make the agreed upon payments, go over your petition with your attorney, and electronically sign the prepared petition documents. That's everything that it takes to get your case filed with the bankruptcy court and take an important step toward your fresh financial start. Now to go over a few guidelines and few steps for you to follow to ensure that your case will run smoothly. We sent you, and your client portal also shows you your client checklist. You should now begin to gather the documents requested on the client checklist. And remember, if you don't have some of the requested documents, you can ask for copies from your employer, tax preparer, bank, mortgage company, the IRS, or any other entity that may have the information that you need. You can upload into your client portal the following required documents: 6 months of pay stubs from each job you worked in the last 6 months. Include your spouse's pay stubs even if your spouse is not filing for bankruptcy. Statements for any other sources of income, including Social Security, unemployment, SNAP or other government benefits, child support, pension payments, and any gig work such as Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart, etc. For self-employed debtors, please include your business income and profit and loss statements for the last year. 3 months of bank statements from any banks, financial institutions, or investment brokers where you have any accounts. Federal and state tax returns for the last 2 years that you were required to file. And if you have a mortgage, a recent mortgage statement from your mortgage company.
We'll also need you to upload a color copy of your driver's license or state ID and a color copy of your Social Security card. Your credit counseling certificate must be uploaded, which can be completed at debtorcc.org. And upload any other additional documents that may be requested by your attorney. You probably noticed that we asked for a copy of your credit counseling certificate. This is often referred to as your ticket to bankruptcy court, as it must be completed before you can file your petition with the court. Your client portal contains information on how to complete the required credit counseling session at debtorcc.org. Once you complete the course and receive your credit counseling certificate, the certificate remains valid for the next 6 months.
Once we have received your documents and your payments, we send you a final questionnaire for you to review. We call the final questionnaire the green sheets. Green sheets will come to you already nearly completed, based on both the information that you have provided to us and upon our firm's analysis of your assets, income, expenses, and other financial information. Once you have reviewed and returned your final questionnaire, we will complete any necessary additions or revisions to your petition and send you your final draft petition. We will then schedule a petition review meeting with you when your attorney will review the final petition with you. Be sure that all the information in your petition is accurate and complete, and answer any questions that you may have prior to the filing your petition with the court. One important note on your documents: the information and documents that you provide to us must be and must remain timely and up to date. For example, your attorney will generally need 6 months of pay stubs and 3 months of bank statements to complete your petition. The pay stubs and bank statements we receive must be from the most recent months prior to filing your case. So if you supply us with your pay stubs for January through June, but your case is not filed until August, you will need to provide the additional and more recent pay stubs for July through August before we can file your case. The same is true for your bank statements, for your most recent tax returns, and for any other time-sensitive information. If you provide us your bank statements from January to March, but your case is not filed until May, we will need new bank statements for April through May. Yes, it can be a nuisance, but there is no way around it, as the court will require that your documents be up to date as of the date of filing. Finally, and most significantly, our firm is completely dedicated to the successful preparation and filing of your bankruptcy petition. Our commitment is to stay with you and work cooperatively with you through your entire bankruptcy process. From your initial consultation, through the final discharge order that legally clears your debts and officially grants you a financial fresh start. How quickly your case can move forward to your financial freedom is up to you. The sooner you make all your payments, and the faster you forward us the required documents, the sooner your case can be filed and you can enjoy your financial fresh start. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to give us a call anytime.
Thank you. We look forward to working with you. Our entire team of bankruptcy professionals is here to help at any time.